Hello, I'm Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today we're at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort, one of Disney World's 11 deluxe resorts and villas. This resort is located near the Magic Kingdom area and on the monorail loop, giving guests easy access to Magic Kingdom and Epcot. In today's tour, we'll be seeing one of the newly updated rooms with 2 queen beds and a day bed. This room sleeps up to 5 guests. Most standard rooms include 2 queen beds and a day bed, but guests can also request a king bed instead of the 2 queen bed option. We will also be looking around at some of the resort's amenities that it has to offer and some events that happen over the course of the year. First, let's take a look at one of the rooms. When you're comparing rooms at this resort, there are a number of options to choose from, including rooms with club level access, 1 and 2 bedroom suites, and the standard resort rooms like we're touring today. Resort rooms offer 3 different views: the theme park view, which is views of the Magic Kingdom; resort view, which includes views of the marina, courtyard, pool areas, or parking lots; and the water view, which is a view of Seven Seas Lagoon. The room size and features remain the same with each view. The Grand Floridian rooms were recently refurbished and include hard surface herringbone pattern flooring and raised beds for extra storage. This is a great feature for families, especially when there are 5 guests in the room. The new decor is simple and modern, with a nod to Mary Poppins, and gives the room a very elegant look. Each room has a separate shower and toilet area, leaving the vanity with 2 sinks open for others to continue getting ready. This is a great feature for families who are simultaneously preparing for their Disney adventures. As with all Disney resorts, you're provided with Disney specialty bath products in the bathroom. The coffee bar is equipped with a single-serve Keurig and all the makings for your morning coffee or tea, as well as a mini beverage cooler. You should note that the beverage cooler is not cold like a refrigerator, but only cool to chill your drinks. The room offers a full-size closet complete with hangers, shelves, a luggage rack, extra bedding, and a safe. Along with the underbed storage, there's plenty of space to organize your belongings. Now let's have a look around the Grand Floridian Resort. This is one of my personal favorite resorts at Disney World. There are 2 pools and a water play area at the Grand. The courtyard pool is centrally located in the middle of the resort and is the more quiet of the 2 pools. The main pool is called the Beach Pool and has 0 entry, a waterfall and water slide for the family to enjoy. Adjacent to the beach pool is a gated Alice in the Wonderland water park play area, the perfect place for the little ones to cool off in a safe space. One of the standout features of this resort is its diverse and exquisite dining options. Let's embark on a culinary tour of the exceptional restaurants that await you here at the Grand Floridian. Recognized with the AAA 5 Diamond Award, Victoria & Albert's offers an unforgettable dining experience. The restaurant features an opulent setting with crystal chandeliers, fine china, and a personalized service. Narcoossee's offers coastal cuisine with a focus on seafood. The waterfront location offers stunning views of the Seven Seas Lagoon, which is especially magical during fireworks. Citrico's is a 3rd upscale dining option at the Grand Floridian. It has an indulgent menu featuring fresh, seasonal ingredients with dishes inspired by the flavors of the Mediterranean. For the kids and the kids at heart, you won't want to miss 1900 Park Fare if character dining is on your list of must-dos while visiting Disney World. At 1900 Park Fare, you can meet some of your favorite Disney characters such as Aladdin, Cinderella, Mirabelle, and Princess Tiana while enjoying an all-you-care-to-enjoy buffet for breakfast and dinner. If casual dining is more your style, then you'll need to try the Grand Floridian Cafe, where they serve comfort food favorites like buttermilk fried chicken, eggs Benedict, or slow braised pork shake. Another of my resort favorites is the Enchanted Rose. There's no better way to enjoy lounging at the resort than with a themed cocktail located on the 2nd floor lobby. This lounge captures the essence of Beauty and the Beast story, blending elegance with a touch of whimsy. The decor includes rich dark woods, plush seating, and subtle nods to the characters and elements from the film. They offer signature cocktails along with small bites. If you'd like to learn more about Disney's Grand Floridian Resort, make sure to read our blog linked in the notes. Did you enjoy this video? Like and subscribe to see more of our resort tours and cruise ship videos. Ready to plan your next magical Disney World vacation? We'll happily send you a free quote and help you decide which resort and room are the best for your next adventure. Use the link in the notes to request your free, no obligation quote today.